I've got 2 bags here. I've done some damage. How can you not go into Primark and pick up a pair of their 90p flip-flops? Did I need another one? No. But did I buy another one? Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here and you've just found my channel. I would love you to join me down below and subscribe. So today's video is a very exciting video and I've got a Primark haul. Obviously because of lockdown I've not done a Primark haul since, I don't actually remember when my last Primark haul was. I know I did one back in the summer which was like a big Primark haul. So this is like another big Primark haul. I went shopping today. I went to the Bristol Cabot Circus Primark, which is the best one close to me. So I just had to go there. The Gloucester one just doesn't quite do it. So I had to go there and I've done some damage, guys. Like, I've got 2 bags here. I've done some damage. And obviously it's a bit harder. I feel like I was like, after I bought all this stuff, I was justifying myself. Like, obviously you're not allowed to try anything on. So I don't, some of this stuff may be going back, but yeah, I'm going to go through it with you guys now and we'll have a little look and see what I got. I'm so excited to go back through it again because yeah, it's just like exciting. I love Primark and honestly, I had the best time in there. So without further ado, let's get into my Primark haul. So I'm going to like go through everything and I'm going to do try on clips for all the clothes because I just think with Primark hauls, that's the best way to do it. Some videos I like to do it where I try it on and show you guys and like how it fits and everything. But I don't know, with Primark, I just feel like I just have to go through the bags. It's just, yeah. Also, I'm sorry if my makeup looks rubbish because I have been shopping today, like I said, and I've been wearing a mask. So, yeah, but I just couldn't wait any longer. So, yeah. So, I'm going to start with this bag, which has got something that I bought from the Homeware section. So, I picked up this mirror. I've been seeing these kind of mirrors around for a while. This is that the right way? This way, here we go. It is a large wicker mirror and it is this like, what's it called? I don't know what we call that, but yeah, I really liked it. I have seen very similar ones to this and I've thought about it for a while. Should I get one? B&M have some quite similar ones and I just thought I would pick it up because it was only £8. So I just get it out and show you guys. So this is a mirror. I hope it is all intact because I did not check this one. I just grabbed it. This is the mirror and I just thought it was so nice. I'm going to pop it on my wall. And yeah, I love it. £8. What a bargain. Okay, and the rest of the stuff in here. So let's have a little look. I'm going to pop it up here so that I can go through it like that. So I picked up this sports bra. This is a purple, like I said, purple sports bra. I'm loving now I'm back to the gym. I thought it'd be nice to pick up a couple of new little bits. Well, I don't actually think I've got much gym wear. This might be the only piece of gym wear that I bought. But I just thought this was a really nice colour. I got it in a size 10 to 12, which was their small, which is what confuses me about their Primark sizes, because I would normally in a lot of things be a medium, because I'm more of a 10 to 12, but their small is a 10 to 12. It was £6. And yeah, when I went into Primark, it was the afternoon, like it was basically like 5 p.m. nearly. So I do feel like a lot of the stuff was gone by that point of the day. So I'm not going to go anytime soon because my bank cannot handle that anymore because I have literally just pulled it apart. But I would like to go at some point in like the morning, maybe in a couple of months' time when things calm down, because maybe more stock in then. But I mean, I still managed to spend over £100, so it couldn't have been that bad. And then what are you doing if you don't go to Primark to buy your socks after national lockdown? I meant socks and pants, by the way, not just socks. So I picked up, I don't normally get these, but I thought I would give them a go. I bought 4 packets of the hipster pants and I also bought 4 packets of the Brazilian pants. I just thought I would stock up on some underwear and then throw away old ones because it's just nice to refresh your underwear drawer. And then I also picked up a packet of white socks, 7 for £2.50, and those pants were £4.50 a packet. And then I also picked up these, which are the Primark Brazilian. These I got in a medium, which is actually their 12 to 14, which I would have gotten in a 10, like a small 10 to 12, but they didn't have any, and there was just a few kind of hanging around. So I do hope these fit. If not, they're going to be big, aren't they? I'm not going to be able to send them back. But it was £5 for 3 Brazilians, and I just thought they'd be nice. They were nice colours. I was drawn to the pastel-y kind of colours, you know. And then the final couple of bits in this bag is a packet of scrunchies. Do I need any more scrunchies? But no, but can you go to Primark and not buy scrunchies or things like that? I just couldn't, and I was drawn to this one, this nude colour, and I just loved it, and the blue's really cute. They're all really cute. So £2 for 3 scrunchies, bargain. And I also picked up a pair of sunglasses because, again, can you get a Primark and not get sunglasses? No. This one, these are just these like tortoiseshell kind of cat eye. I find it so hard, like with sunglasses, because none of them suit me. I was in there earlier and I was like trying them on, like, no. I saw a really cool pair that were like a lighter tortoiseshell. They were like square, and I tried them on and I was just like, I look shocking. And the circular ones also do not suit me. But these ones are £3. I do feel like Primark sunglasses have got a bit more expensive over the last couple of years, but you can't go wrong. £3 for a pair of good sunglasses. And I've got these in like a pink colour as well, so I thought it'd be good to pick up like a classic pair. So love them. And then onto the good stuff, which did some damage, but also I feel like everything just adds up. Like, I really did not think it would be as much as it was. It was over £100, and when I got to the till, I was like, you know, I didn't realise how much it would be. I did not think it would be that much, but it just adds up. And I think as well, I spent a lot of money on like underwear and socks, which I normally wouldn't like spend that much, but that adds up because I spent about nearly £20 on like underwear and socks, so justifying myself again. But okay, I love this. This skirt, I feel like I've seen someone haul this like recently. It is so cute. I got it in a size 10. It was £10, and it is this just adorable skirt. It's one of those things that's probably a bit out there for me, because I don't know, I don't feel like I would wear this style of skirt very often, but it was just too cute to not buy, so I bought it. So I won't be able to tell you about how things like whether it fits now, because I haven't tried it on yet, but I will let you know if anything doesn't, or you know. I got it in a 10 because I just felt like it was stretchy enough that it should fit. Sometimes I go for a 10, sometimes I go for a 12. It kind of depends. Some things in this haul are 12, some are 10. So yeah. Okay, so you guys know my obsession with crew neck sweater jumpers. Did I need another one? No. But did I buy another one? Yeah. I really wasn't gonna. I saw one that was like a Tweety Pie one, and I was like, no, don't need another one. And then I saw the Dumbo one. Yeah, so I got another one, and I just thought they're so handy. I wear them all the time. I wear them to work out in. I'll be wearing them to go to the gym now. I just thought they'd be so handy. This one was £10, and I got it in a medium, which is a 12 to 14, because I would want it to be slightly oversized, and I love Dumbo. I've got a jumper with Dumbo on, so I just thought I'd get another one because it's cute, and yeah, I love it. I also felt the colour is not very practical, but okay, next I got this little t-shirt which says more kindness on it. It is so cute. It says like the lovely pastel yellow and more kindness, and it was only £4. I got it in a small, which is again the 10 to 12. When I was in there, I wasn't sure whether to get the medium, but I went for the smaller one because I think even though it's like it would be loose and it's obviously not fitted, but I feel like the medium looked a bit bigger and I didn't want it to be that much oversized. I just thought it was really cute, and yeah, with jeans obviously again, like, you know my vibe. Okay, going back to homeware because I forgot about this. I picked up this. I don't really know where this is. I'm planning to put this because I've got this and I've got that mirror, and then there's something else which I'm not going to talk about because it's coming up in a video which is going to go on my wall. And I was kind of when I was in there, I was trying to think how I would like how they would all go together on the wall. But I just couldn't resist this. It was so cute. It was only £3.50, I think. £3.50, yeah, £3.50, and I just thought whether I decide to use it right now, I really like it. So I think I could definitely put it somewhere in my room, but yeah, it was so cute. Oh, I got some more socks. I also picked up these crew neck, which I think are long socks, which I think they are anyway. I picked them up anyway. 5 packets, and again, I love wearing long socks to the gym with leggings or shorts. These were £1.80 for 5 pairs. Love them. Okay, I've got more underwear. I bought loads of pants. I didn't realise how much I bought until now, but I needed it. I picked up some more of their invisible thongs. I love these. I picked them up in a medium. I should have got a small. I'm annoyed about that. I normally get small, but hopefully they'll fit anyway. I love wearing these for the gym. Not just the gym, but they're great with seamless leggings. When you're wearing them underneath, then obviously you don't get like a VPL. But you do, no, VPL means no. I don't know what, I've forgotten what it means now. But yeah, you don't get like a panty line. So love those, but wish I got a small. Kind of annoyed about that. On the underwear line, I picked up an underwear set. I was really tempted and I thought I'm going to get one. I was looking for those like seamless sets, but I couldn't seem to find any. I think they were all gone by the time I got there. But I picked up this little triangle set and it was only £5 for the bralette and the brief, which is like a bargain. I mean, they call it a brief. I mean, it is a thong. But I just thought it was super adorable. And yeah, can't go wrong. Okay, another homeware thing. Sorry, I'm not doing this in order at all. Sorry about that. But I picked up one of these. I've seen these around in different places and I just thought I'd get one. I thought it would look really cute next to those mirror and that other thing that I showed you. This one was from their like, not wellness section. Actually, it was from their wellness section, I think. It was only £4 and I just really like them. I think they look really cute. It's just a vibe. Another purchase, something I probably didn't need, but again, how can you not go into Primark and pick up a pair of their 90p flip-flops? I just thought I'd get these. I really like the yellow colour. I thought they'd be great for summer, like on holiday. I just love a bit of pastel yellow. And yeah, like I said, 90p. Okay, the next thing I bought was this play suit. This was actually in their summer range, but like in the swimwear section where all the bikinis were. But I wouldn't really wear it just for that. I would wear it like just this in the summer. This is a little play suit. I really love the colours. This kind of nudie, brownie kind of colour, like not leopard print, but almost, it is kind of like leopard print, but no, it's not leopard print. I don't know what material it is anyway. Multi it's called. And I got it in a 12. I ummed when I was in there whether to get a 10 or a 12, but I thought I would get a 12 because it would be more roomy in like the legs. Obviously you'll see this on a bit better when I try it on, and it's got a little tie so you can tie it around, tie you in the waist. This one again, like I said, I got it in 12 and it was £7, so super bargain. I thought it'd be really cute for summer if I ever actually go anywhere, or just in the UK with some little sandals and my sunglasses. Yeah. Okay, the next sort of top I got was actually only £4, this one. I thought it was so cute, and for £4 I couldn't say no. I got it in a small, and it is this lovely mesh, like ditzy daisy print, flower, plural, whatever you want to call it. And I thought, again, really nice with some jeans in the summer. I really love the little lettuce trim around here and around here. I just thought that's really cute. And I love it. Okay, the next thing I picked up were these shorts. These were again only £4. I got them in a 12 just for more room, and they're this like nude, yeah, I was gonna say beige, but they are kind of beige nude. Just simple floaty shorts. I don't know why I'm doing that to show you, you know, they're floaty shorts. They need a bit of an iron, but I thought they'd be really good, really handy throw on short. Not a lot more else to say about them, but I really like them. Okay, next up, I just picked up a pair of their black, skinny, super high waist skinny jeans. I got them in a 12, and I just got them for work because they're just easy to wear for work. Sometimes I wear a skirt, but other times I just thought I'll pick up a pair of these just to have, because my ones that I looked at yesterday weren't very black anymore. So these were £10 and I got them in a 12. I'm really hoping that they fit, because this last time I owned a pair of Primark leggings, I got them in a 12 and they fitted, and I wore them literally to death for work, and then one day they hold, so I binned them, and then I picked up another pair before the lockdown ended, and I got them home and they didn't fit me anymore. Not anymore, they didn't fit me, so they must have changed like the material, the fabric of their leggings, so I was really annoyed. So I still actually have them. I don't think I've sent them back because I couldn't send them back, and I forgot. They were only like £6, so nothing, no biggie. But yeah, I didn't get the leggings because I was worried that if I got a 12 they wouldn't fit me. It was just really annoying they didn't fit, so I should send them back at some point. But I just picked up the jeans, so yeah. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm looking at all this stuff thinking, fuck, I like all this. Like, I spent a lot of money, and I was thinking on the way home, like, it's all right, might not, you know, I still don't know if some of it might still not fit me, but I was thinking, you know, some of it might not fit, it'll be fine, I'll take some bits back. And is this the final thing? Yes, it's the final thing, guys. The final thing I picked up was some of their wireless bras. I've seen so many people rave about these, and there are the wireless, well, I say bras, they're more like a kind of like a crop, I mean, I guess they are bras more than crop tops because, yeah, they're lower at the back, so they are bras. Wireless everyday bras, and I got them in a small 10 to 12. They were £10 for a packet, and I just thought they'd be great to wear. I could get away with them to the gym, I don't know, not sure, but around the house. So that is everything that I picked up from Primark, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you've been to Primark, if you picked up some bits. Let me know if you're going to go to Primark, and I'd love to know what you got. It's so exciting now the shops are open. It was really weird when I went today because it felt so normal, but at the same time it was like a new norm. I don't know. Also the queue for Primark was massive. Like, I really thought it was going to take a long time, and I got through it in about 5-10 minutes. Because if you know Bristol Cabot Circus, the Primark was queuing all the way around the back of the building, like round to the side, like all the way round. And I thought, oh my god, I'm going to be here for half an hour at least. And it went in like not even 10 minutes. So yeah. Defo head to Primark, guys. I am obsessed with some of the bits in there, and I can't wait to go again soon, but not for a bit because I'm broke now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up and subscribe down below if you're new here, and turn the notification bell so you don't miss my next video, and I'll see you guys very, very soon for a new weekly vlog. Bye, guys.